0 divided by any number equals 0. Think about it. If you have 0 apples, it doesn't matter how many baskets you have. Each basket will have 0 apples in it. If you have 0 blocks, then you will be able to make 0 towers of any height. This is true with any number, any expression, and any variable. So 0 divided by 11, for example, equals 0. 0 divided by 3 plus 5 equals 0. 0 divided by 4.2 equals 0. 0 divided by any number divided by x equals 0, or any variable in this case of our x. So if the 0 comes first, and then we're dividing by any number, any expression, any variable, the answer is going to be 0. But now, what about if you have a number and that number comes first and you're trying to divide that number by 0? No number can be divided by 0. It cannot happen. There is no answer. It doesn't exist. If you divide by 0 in a calculator or computer, you will get an error message. In math, we refer to the quotient, or the answer, of an equation with 0 as the divisor, as undefined. So we don't even say that the answer is 0 or nothing. We say it is undefined, and we actually write that word as our answer, or as our quotient. So if the divisor is 0, no matter what the dividend is, my answer is going to be undefined. So I would write the word undefined in all of these answers. 12 divided by 0 equals undefined. 1 plus 6 divided by 0 equals undefined. 1.1 divided by 0, again, I would write undefined. X divided by 0, undefined. 0 divided by 0 isn't 0. We might think that 0 divided by 0 is 0, but the fact that we have a 0 here in the divisor makes this one as well undefined. So all of these answers, I'll try to write them quickly here, is undefined. One more way to think about this, just to remember when is it 0 and when is it undefined, is you can think of writing these division problems as a fraction. And so in these cases up here, so for example 0 divided by 11, I can write this in a fraction form where I would say 0 divided by 11, and the answer to that is 0. So if the 0 is in my numerator, it's okay to have my answer be 0. But if I'm writing a number like one of these, like 12 divided by 0 equals, if the 0 is in my denominator, that's when my answer is undefined. So in this case, I would say undefined.